Miss me? I'm back with another fun review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Morde Dark Chocolate Compound. For all you bakers out there, get your baking game on with Morde Dark Chocolate Compound. This compound is made with cocoa solid, sugar and edible vegetable fat. Its dark brown color and rich chocolate taste is great for baking desserts and making chocolates. This compound is super versatile. You can use this to make chocolates, cakes, desserts, cookies, or simply add this to a hot cup of milk and enjoy hot chocolate. Sadly, this compound comes in only one size, which is 400 grams. If you're not a dark chocolate fan, you can also get this compound in milk and white chocolate. So, what are you going to bake with this next?